Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone else, James McIlwee now presents to you some more jokes. Hoax from Toy Story's most faithful dog ever, Slinky. Ahem. Alright, here's a good one. Knock knock, who's there? Dewey. Dewey who? Do we have to listen to any more jokes? Okay, here's a good one. Why do firemen wear red suspenders? To hold their pants up. Oh, here's a good one. This one's for Vanilla Candy and Spidey Fan 2. Why did the old man throw his granddaughter's My Little Pony doll out the window? Because he wanted to see the horse fly. Oh, here's a good one. And why is everyone out of school at 3 o'clock? Because if the bell strikes 1, strikes 2, strikes 3, you're out. Oh, here's a good one. And a man walks into a restaurant with his giraffe. And they eat so much the giraffe gets sick and lies on the floor. Then the man leaves without him. Then the waiter says, "Excuse me, sir, you can't leave that lion there." And he's like, "That's not a lion, that's a giraffe." Oh, here's a good one. And what time is it when an elephant sits on a drum? Time to get a new drum. Oh, here's a good one. And why were the elephants the last animals to leave the ark? So they could pack their trunks. Oh, here's a good one. Knock knock, who's there? Boo! Boo-hoo! Don't cry, it's not that bad. Okay, here's a good one. And where do sheep get a haircut? At the barber shop. Oh, I got one. And what is a small laugh in Indian language? A mini haw. Okay, one more. What has a head like a cat and a tail like a cat, but is not a cat? A kitten. Thank you, Slinky Dog. You're welcome, James McIlwee. And I don't know if you've seen that video, but the Mario, Sonic, and Toy Story adventures can go on. So be sure to tune into a new episode whenever James McIlwee he has the time. Thank you.